March 5, 2022 is a Saturday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Denver. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 47 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 29 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 75%. You can expect 0.78 millimeters of rain and 1.9 millimeters of snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be cold with snow. Monday is going to be cold with light snow. Tuesday is going to be cold with clear sky. Wednesday is going to be cold with overcast clouds. Thursday is going to be cold with snow. Friday is going to be cold with clear sky. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. For our next story, share the repair with Wayne Seltzer. Make Magazine, Volume 80, is dedicated to making sure we can fix things that we buy, titled How to Win the War on Repay. In our next story, Weekend Outlook, the Soo gets the messy side of a winter storm. SooToday. This weekend, a Colorado low developing in the American Midwest will intensify and track directly into northeastern Ontario. Next up, Chiarot scores OT winner as Canadiens deny Flames bid for record. Sportsnet.ca. Calgary Ben Chiarot scored the overtime winner for the Montreal Canadiens in a 54 win over the host Calgary Flames on Thursday. For our next story, Denver weather, 2 weekend storms will bring cold and snow back to Colorado. CBS Denver. Denver CBS 4 Colorado's Front Range will enjoy one final day with much warmer than normal temperatures before a double BL. Ast of winter arrives for the weekend. That's it for today. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).